Welcome to another episode of AgTech Digest, your go-to source for the latest in agricultural technology. In today's episode, we're diving into exciting developments transforming modern agriculture. We'll explore innovative irrigation solutions designed to protect orchards from extreme heat, examine significant funding rounds supporting autonomous farming platforms and AI-powered feed monitoring systems, and discover groundbreaking partnerships in indoor strawberry propagation. We'll also cover plant science advances, from nematode-resistant crop varieties to DNA-based botanical identification services, plus controlled environment agriculture developments spanning AI-driven farming systems to strategic acquisitions in automated agricultural technologies. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Revolutionary agricultural technologies are transforming crop protection and farm management through innovative solutions that address both climate challenges and operational efficiency demands. To begin with, Orbia Netafim has launched Mega Pulsar sprinkler technology to protect orchards from heat waves, designed specifically for high-value subtropical crops like avocado, mango, and lychee. The system distributes uniform pulses of low-volume water throughout the canopy to reduce temperature and raise humidity, with its modular, wide-spacing design reducing water use, labor, and maintenance costs, while early field installations show improved humidity and temperature control. Building on this innovation trend, Saga Robotics has secured £8.4 million in equity capital to expand deployment of its Thorvald autonomous platform for grapevine and strawberry production, with the funding round led by Presidium Agri-Foodtech, Acre, and Nysnu Climate Investments. The capital will accelerate rollout in the UK, where Thorvald supports 13 major strawberry growers, and the platform also operates on more than 1,300 acres of vineyards in the U.S. In parallel developments, Bin Sentry, specializing in AI-powered sensors for the animal feed supply chain, has raised $50 million in Series C funding led by LeadEdge Capital, with funding supporting global expansion after doubling revenue in the past year while maintaining a 0% customer churn rate. Their solar-powered sensors provide real-time monitoring of on-farm feed levels with 99% accuracy, replacing manual inventory checks and helping prevent feed outages. Complementing these advances, AG Eagle Aerial Systems has released the Red Edge P Green multispectral camera to improve agricultural productivity, providing high-resolution, data-rich imaging for agronomists, researchers, and environmental managers while enabling data-driven decisions to enhance yields, reduce costs, and conserve natural resources. The NDAA-compliant camera is compatible with multiple drone platforms and ready for immediate adoption by growers, researchers, and environmental agencies. Breakthrough partnerships are revolutionizing controlled environment propagation, specifically targeting the development of sophisticated year-round indoor growing systems for premium strawberry varieties. Notably, Artechno, Phillips Horticulture, and Lim Group have partnered to develop a year-round indoor propagation model for F1 hybrid strawberry plants, with the AVF Plus system enabling controllable, clean, uniform, and accelerated strawberry propagation with flexible configurations. Central to this collaboration, Limor 1, Lim Group's F1 hybrid strawberry variety, offers stable yield, uniformity, and is suited for protected cultivation, while Signify's Philips GrowWise lighting system provides phase-specific light recipes to improve crop performance and quality. Ultimately, this partnership supports breeders, propagators, growers, and retailers in addressing demand for consistent, high-quality strawberry varieties through advanced controlled environment solutions. Transformative plant science innovations are addressing critical agricultural challenges through advanced breeding techniques, precision nutrient management, and cutting-edge identification technologies that promise to reshape crop production. First and foremost, BASF, Corteva Agriscience, and MS Technologies are introducing a nematode-resistant soybean trait in Brazil, targeting root lesion and soybean cyst nematodes, with trials showing over 90% control of root lesion nematodes. The commercial launch is expected late this decade or early next, pending approval, and is anticipated to benefit South American farmers significantly. In a related development, FarmQA has launched 2 new tools to streamline nutrient planning: Advanced Prescriptions and Nutrient Blender, with Advanced Prescriptions delivering batch, formula-based variable rate recommendations for greater precision, while Nutrient Blender offers quick, flat-rate fertility planning based on soil data and yield goals. Both tools are designed to improve accuracy and reduce the time agronomists spend on data processing. Additionally, LeafWorks has expanded its DNA-based botanical identification services to include the top 75 herbs and fungi in natural products, with the expanded offering including adulteration detection for complex formulations and blended products. Services include botanical DNA ID and adulteration DNA ID testing, validated against a global genomic library to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulatory standards for dietary supplements, foods, cosmetics, and other natural products. On the investment front, Proterra has acquired AcreTrader to extend its farmland investment reach and support the growth of Acres.com, with AcreTrader's team joining Proterra while Acres.com remains independent under founder Carter Malloy. The acquisition aligns with Proterra's broader strategic growth plans, focusing on private equity and credit investments in the global food value chain while maintaining transparency and investor access. Strategic acquisitions and innovative partnerships are dramatically reshaping the controlled environment agriculture landscape as companies integrate advanced technologies with sustainable farming practices to meet growing market demands. To start, EBZ Group has acquired a majority stake in AgTech startup Organofarms, marking its entry into sustainable and automated agricultural technologies, though co-founders Dominic Fiden and Hannah Brown will leave the company. A new leadership team will combine Organofarms' agricultural expertise with EBZ's automation capabilities, with the partnership aiming to scale the technology into new sectors and achieve market readiness while maintaining the company's culture and continuing ongoing projects. In another significant collaboration, EcoBloom and Kuwait-based GreenLife have partnered to deploy AI-driven farming, with EcoBloom's EcoSense system providing real-time environmental and crop data, predictive alerts, and AI-powered insights. GreenLife's facility uses a Clean Greens aeroponic system for water efficiency and optimal root health, and the partnership aims to improve efficiency, consistency, and sustainability in desert farming conditions. Furthermore, PB Tech, part of Atrium Agri, has acquired all assets of CE Line following its bankruptcy in July 2025, with the deal including intellectual property, patents, inventory, stock, work in progress, and goodwill. CE Line had developed a capillary electrophoresis system for real-time nutrient measurement in irrigation water, and the acquisition secures CE Line's expertise in real-time water analysis for greenhouse horticulture, with PB Tech planning to integrate and expand these capabilities within its product portfolio. Diverse agricultural initiatives are driving innovation across protein development, food safety, and environmental sustainability through strategic collaborations and technological breakthroughs that address global challenges. Leading this charge, Embold and Ari have launched Protein Navigator, which aims to assist companies working in plant-based and animal protein sectors by offering insights, strategic connections, and personalized guidance while positioning Minnesota as a hub for scalable protein innovation. Simultaneously, Neogen Corporation has entered an arrangement with enzyme design company Biomatter, leveraging Biomatter's intelligent architecture platform and Neogen's analytical expertise to create advanced enzyme-based products for food safety applications. In terms of facility expansion, Plantable Foods has opened its first commercial facility in El Dorado, Texas, called the Ranchito, which will produce ruby protein from lemna at commercial scale, with expansion including upgraded filtration systems and a higher yield plant strain. The project is expected to cut nearly 8,000 metric tons of CO2 equivalent emissions annually, with partnerships including ICL, aiming to integrate ruby protein into consumer products. Moving to animal health developments, Beta Grow Ventures has joined an $18.4 million Series B funding round for U.S.-based animal health company Biomedit, with proceeds advancing BE-101, Optivant, designed to help prevent necrotic enteritis in broiler chickens. Necrotic enteritis is estimated to cause $6 billion in global poultry losses each year, and BE-101 is a non-antibiotic probiotic vectored antibody product with commercial launch planned for 2026. Finally, in environmental innovation, Ambient Carbon's methane eradication photochemical system, EMEPS, has removed up to 90% of methane from dairy barn ventilation air in a large-scale trial conducted at Hoffmannsgave Foundation Farm in Denmark, processing emissions from a 250-cow barn while targeting dilute methane concentrations below 1,000 ppm common in livestock housing, with MEPS also removing ammonia, reducing odors, and generating fertilizer as a byproduct. Looking ahead to upcoming industry events, mark your calendars for the Commercial UAV Expo from September 2nd to 4th, 2025 in Las Vegas, USA. Following that, Taiwan Smart Agri Week will take place from September 3rd to 5th in Taiwan. The Global Vertical Farming Show 2025 is scheduled for September 10th to 11th in Dubai, UAE. Next, Space will be held from September 16th to 18th in France. Additionally, don't miss AgRemi from October 6th to 7th in Dubai. Finally, the Vertical Farming World Congress will run from October 7th to 9th, 2025 in Amsterdam. That wraps up today's episode of AgTech Digest. We explored the latest developments in agricultural technology, from innovative irrigation solutions like Orbia Netifim's heat-protecting sprinkler systems to significant funding rounds including Saga Robotics' £8.4 million expansion and BinCentury's $50 million Series C. We discovered breakthrough partnerships in indoor strawberry propagation and advanced plant science innovations spanning nematode-resistant soybeans to DNA-based botanical identification services. From controlled environment agriculture acquisitions and AI-driven farming partnerships to groundbreaking protein development facilities and methane reduction technologies, it's clear that the AgTech sector is making remarkable strides in sustainability, precision, and innovation. With strategic acquisitions, cutting-edge partnerships, and transformative technologies addressing climate challenges and operational efficiency, the future of agriculture is shaping up to be smarter and more resilient than ever before. Thanks for joining me. I'm Anna, signing off. Stay inspired and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.